Now, this is exactly what I'm saying. I bought local yesterday. As of when local was 1.6. Let me show you. I made a video about it. This is a video I made. Bitcoin was 37,009 something yesterday, and local was 1.6474. Now, the local I bought is 867.3 local, which is worth $1,431. Let me go out. Just within 24 hours. Let's check. This is Binance. Now, Bitcoin is 38,006 something, and local is now 1.9. Local has done 18%. As of when I bought this token yesterday, I bought 867 local, which will still remain 867, and local has done 1.9, which is 18%. Now, this is what I have now. I have $1,658. If you open this local, it's still 867.3. The amount will still remain the number of coins you have. But now the value of the coins has changed from 1.6 to 1.9, taking my money $1,430 to $1,659, almost $660. Yes. Okay, now it's $663. It's still going up. This is exactly what I'm saying. Whenever the coin is down, queue in and buy it. Don't be scared of buying it, because it's going to go up. If this local gets to 2.5 or 2.6 or 2.7, it's going to add an additional $600-700 to the money I already have. Don't forget, the value of the money I used to buy this thing yesterday was $1,431, and now the money is $1,670. It's still even going up. See, local is 1.95, 21%. So if I want to convert this money now, I will just go to Binance and go to trade, go to convert, and wait. Now select USDT. This is stable coin. Now select all. Now click on preview. The money I am going to get now is $1,684. That is the amount I'm going to get. Still jumping up. 1,688. Let me convert. See, I've converted my money. What I have now is 1,688. What I am going to do now is still wait so that this local will still go down. Once it goes down, I will buy more coin. What I have here is 867. That is what I converted. Now I'm going to wait when this local goes down to 1.6 or 1.7. I will still buy more coins, and when I buy more coins, I will show you guys that I don't have 867 again. I will now have more coins in my wallet. So you sell, you wait for it to go down, you buy more coins. You wait for it to go up, you sell, you wait for it to go down, you buy more coins. With this formula now, if you're trading with a bigger amount like 10,000 or 15 or 20,000, you can still make up to like $3,000-4,000 in a day. If you're trading with a bigger amount, I'm trading with a small amount, so that is why the money is like $200 and something.